Hello and welcome to the Metaverse course where you will learn everything about this new emerging technology called Metaverse. You will learn everything from very basics and understand about this new digital world called Metaverse. During my childhood, I was a huge fan of this Hollywood movie series named Matrix, and the other one is a Bollywood movie named Ravan. These movies showcase the concept of Metaverse way back in 2000, and I used to wonder when I will be able to experience these kind of technology in the real world. And now all this is possible because of technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and blockchain. This course is for everyone who is interested in learning about the Metaverse technology and understanding all the ins and outs of it. If you are wondering who am I, my name is Arbaz Khan and I will be your instructor throughout the course. I am a tech enthusiast and really curious about understanding all the new emerging technologies in the market. I have over 3 years of experience in teaching different programming languages like C, C++, Java, and Python. I believe learning is a never-ending process and everyone should upskill themselves now and then. I am actively working on different research papers, copyrights, different frameworks, and technologies. I have published over 2 research papers in international journals, and recently I have registered my copyright for one of my projects from Government of India. And I am really excited to teach you next everything about the Metaverse technology. And I hope you are also excited for learning about this new digital world called Metaverse. So, what are you waiting for? Click on that enroll button and get started now.